What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 2/12/2021. I'm doing our 2020 Premium Baseball 7-box mixer. In this break, there will be 2 boxes of 2020 Bowman Sapphire, 1 box of 2020 Optic Choice, 2 boxes of Absolute 2020, 2 boxes of 2020 Topps Chrome. We have a second premium mixer. It basically has all the same product except 1 box of Chrome and 3 boxes of Absolute. All right, who's got who in the break? David R. is the Diamondbacks. David G. has the Braves. Christopher W. has the Orioles, and David M. has the Red Sox. We got Greg Z. with the Cubbies and Dean E. with the White Sox. Alan K. has the Reds, and Ellie V. has the Indians. We got David R. with the Rockies, and Clyde B. has the Tigers. Mary L. with the Astros and the Royals. Angels, Tom K. Tom C. with the Dodgers. Dean E. with the Marlins. Travis S. with the Brew Crew. Tony K. has the Twins. Mary L. has the Mets. John P. has the Yankees. Justin S. with Oakland. Christopher W. with the Phillies. Greg Z. has the Pirates. Joe T. has the Padres. Travis S. has the Giants. David M. with the Mariners and the Cardinals. Derek Q. with the Rays. Mike T. Last Spot Karma, Rangers. Greg Z. Blue Jays. Brian S. Nationals. All right, guys, what do you want to see first? What would you like to see first? I mean, I have no preference. Well, I do have a preference. We all know what I like. But I'm ready. These have been sitting. These were personals at one time. Box Wars. I mixed everything up. Yeah, that was over the summer, Travis. I've been on a cold streak recently. The next video set I have is a whole bunch of losses. Let's do a Topps Chrome box first. Let's do a Topps Chrome box first. And then Sapphire last. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking Sapphire last too. Well, let's do a Chrome box since that takes a little bit of time to open. All right. Here we go. So 2 autos per box. Let's see some color. Every card will ship, guys. Hits will be relics, autos, and cards 50 and below, but every card will ship. We do have all of it. We have the Playbook Mixer. We have the Prism Mixer, the Mosaic T-Mall. I have that one. The Obsidian is down to 1 spot. And if you saw the first half of that Obsidian, I think the second half is going to be loaded. Because to get 4 points cards out of 6 boxes is pretty pathetic on Panini's part, but not unexpected. But I have all of it here. I just organized everything on my shelf. You guys help us clean it off. We'll get more stuff. The UK, just so you guys know, the UK baseball is a sealed case. I know I put 12 boxes because I bought 12 boxes. I wasn't sure if she was going to give us a sealed case or not. And it ended up being a sealed case. I didn't know if they had just loose boxes of the UK or sealed cases. Ended up being a sealed case of the UK baseball. I put the description on the site, Chris. So if you click on the product on the site, in the description, I can't remember off the top of my head. I know that there's specific parallels in there, but I can't remember specifically. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Starting it off. Let's start off strong. Let's end strong. Let me get my focus here. Get it off autofocus so the camera doesn't keep going back and forth here. All right, Max Muncy. You got Yaz. You got a Trout. All right, we got a refractor of Yu Chang. And there's our first auto's coming out hot. He is selling super well. All of a sudden, Dean E. Eloy, Future Stars auto, very nice on card, and that is numbered to 99. What a start! Yeah, autos are random. Autos are tough in it, Tony. In that UK, there's a Yordan Alvarez retro. But it's a solid product with the parallels, and people are going nuts over. All it is tops with a little Union flag on there. There's a chrome. A Union Jack flag. There's a Andrew Heaney. And our, wow, what a box. Our second is going to St. Louis. It's a St. Louis card, even though he's on Tampa now, but David M. Randy Arozarena. If this is what's in these boxes, guys, we are going to have one red hot case here, or break here. Randy Arozarena. Chris Bryant. So Arozarena and Eloy show up as our autos. Let's see if we can get... There's a nice Bo Bichette. What do they call those? Spectra or... Yeah, Spectra, I think. All right, let's see what we got over here. Babe Ruth die cut. Wow. Babe Ruth die cut. Put that off to the side. Juan Soto retro. Is that 85? No, that's not 85. What is that? Yeah, it's 85. There is Tommy Edman and David Peralta. Elvis Andrus, negative. Refractor of Trevor Williams. Refractor of Eloy. Gavin Lux rookie in there. Refractor retro of Brendan McKay. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie. Thought I saw it there. I just like that because he's in the old time. I got to open the second Chrome, guys. I know. I'm going to open the second Chrome. So we'll start with Topps product. We'll end with Topps product. After seeing those, I've got to do the Chrome. I got to see what's in the second box. These all came out of a sealed case that we were selling as personals at one point in time. Thought putting it together as a mixer to clear the shelves. Guys, I forgot to mention, too, if you haven't seen, I did get the another Gold Rush Series 2 baseball case. One just sold today that I have to rip. But I did get the autographed baseballs again. Everything else was sold out. The helmets, the jerseys, those 2021 jerseys, the Series 4 helmets, they were already gone. I am getting, for next Friday, 2 cases of 2021 Gold Rush Multi-Sport. I'll get those up on the site probably next week because I want to confirm that they're definitely coming, and they said they're going to ship out Tuesday, so once I know they're definitely shipping out Tuesday for me for the release, definitely get on that. But like I said, I bought, they didn't have any more treasure chests, but I got the touchdown, 2021 touchdown chest. Check that out. 6 spots, $199. I know the treasure chest was like $139 or $159. This was a little bit more expensive, about $60 per memorabilia piece. Because in there are the full-size helmet, there's a mini helmet, there's a football, I believe, there's cleats, a picture. Is that 6? Did I say 6? Cleats, mini, football, major helmet, or large helmet. Full size is what they call it. That's the word. A picture. There's something else in there. Gloves, maybe. All right, Team Mall. Thanks, Greg, for buying into Team Mall there. You were in a group break and the Gold Rush 8x10 photos? I mean, stuff's flying. I keep checking every day. That's why the top Series 1 showed up again, and I jumped on it. Okay, here we go. Let's do this side first. I don't know why. Maybe because the 2 autos were over there and I want suspense, but who knows if it's there. There's Sorokas of the Liver. All right, there's a Max Scherzer refractor. There's a die cut of Teddy Baseball. There's an Ohtani 85 edition there. All right, here's a Nico rookie refractor. Nico rookie refractor. There's a Mitch Haniger. I believe they call them Spectras, right? Well, whatever they're called, there's a Kyle Lewis. Is it Spectra or Prisms? Do they call these Prisms? I think they call them Prisms. Kyle Lewis. I knew it was a Panini term. Tony Gonsolin. So some nice stuff. There's a Tatis refractor. God, I love the powder blue uniforms. There's a Nico Retro. Mr. Gratterall, or as I like to call him, Gratriol. And there's a piece of card cut. All right. Here comes our autos. Let's see if it's as good as that other box. Again, we have another one of these mixers, guys. Don't be afraid to jump in. 20% off. 15 to go. We can do it. Sean Murphy, Topps favorite player. I think Panini loves him too. Sean Murphy, Oakland. There's something for you at least, Justin. A Sean Murphy auto. Nolan Arenado. Michael Conforto refractor. All right. Prism of Candelario. Eloy Prism. The card that always confuses us and thinks it's red when you look from the side. Aaron Savali refractor. All right. Our auto should be coming up. There it is. Rangel Ravello. Rangel Ravello for the Cardinals. Second hit for the Cardinals, David M. Very nice. All right, Pete Alonso. Tatis, a refractor of Jose Urena. All right, 2 solid boxes of chrome there, definitely. Between the Eloy and the Rosarina. All right, let's try the Optic next. Optic choice, 3 exclusive autos. Red Dragon or Green Dragon parallels. Whew. I can feel the heat coming from those dragons' breath right out of this. All right, there it is. Optic choice, the 1 pack. 10 cards per pack. Here we go. Let's find something sweet. You want that one in one piece? All right, I'll dig through the garbage and I'll just send you all the garbage that I just threw it in, Travis, and you could dig for it.
Let me see you jump.
You want to see my jump? My what?
No, you jump.
My germs?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Because it's sorry, Daddy.
Okay, buddy. All right, let's see what we got here. He's checking out my germs. I think that's where our autos are. So let's see. We got Aaron Savali, rated rookie, red, white, and blue. That's numbered to 45. That'll put Cleveland on the board. What's going on, Clyde? Everybody saying hi, Sabes.
Everybody say hi.
Yeah, everybody's saying hi.
Hi.
He's waving and saying hi, guys. All right, we got a blue and red star to 45 of Garrett Cole. That's the Yankees. So New York Yankees on the board. John P. We got the red dragon to 88 of Rafael Devers. We got a Shohei Ohtani to 88, red dragon. And a green dragon, Joe Palumbo, to 84. So, happy Chinese New Year's there, which it is. Okay, so we got a Charlie Morton. We got a Nolan Arenado. And then let's look at our autos here. First up, Red Mojo to 99 of Zach Collins. Zach Collins, Red Mojo. White Sox again, Dean E. Next for the Mets, Green Mojo, I guess. Andres Jimenez, rated prospect. Very nice, to 99 for the Mets. Marielle getting that one. All right, and yes, to 99 with the red, Joe Adele. And the reason I say yes is because we get to use that. We get to use that right there. So, Joe Adele, Angels. That is Tom K getting that one. All right, give me a second here. All right, so Sabes left the door open, and the cats came in. So just a circus right now here. All right, let's do the 2 boxes of Absolute next. The Adele is also numbered to 99. The Adele is numbered to 99. Rated prospect. All 3 of them are numbered to 99. Oh, we just took the lid right off the cigar boxes here. So some very nice, very, very nice hits here so far. Again, guys, I have a second setup of this. Except it has 1 box of Chrome and 3 boxes of this Absolute. All right, let's open the little cigar boxes here. And by cigar boxes, I mean Avantes, Perotis. I don't even know if you guys have Perotis. That's a local cigar place. They're terrible. It's like smoking a chicken bone. Wow, that's thick there. All right. Guys, 20% off tonight only on all these team styles that are listed. All right. Okay, here we go. Good luck on the absolute here. Might need a different focus now. Different cards, different focus, right? Yep, definitely. All right, Nick Castellanos. Harper. Glaber. Anthony Rizzo. /99, Jack Flaherty. Flaherty /99 for St. Louis. All right, first hit, dual relic /25. Grip it and rip it. God, this stuff is nice. I forgot how nice this stuff is. Alex Verdugo, grip it and rip it for the Dodgers. Dodgers on the board. Tom C. getting that one. Redemption. How about an autographed baseball, /149. Abraham Toro for Houston. Houston on the board. Mary L. getting that one. Got a Juan Soto introductions and a Legends /99 of Teddy Baseball. And our redemption is Yoshitomo Sasugo Ink Absolute Ink Spectrum Purple. Sasugo is the Rays, right? Yeah. Yashimoto Sasugo is the Rays, and the Rays are Derek Q. Derek Q getting that one. I just had to have my memory jog there. Rays. Okay. So Rays on the board. All right. Take the two from the back. Take the couple off the top here. Joey Gallo. Hey. Good. Even though it's a base, we could still use it. Joey Gallo. Giancarlo Stanton. Miguel Cabrera. Alex Bregman. Strasburg /199, Glaber introductions, and /99 Starling Marte. Next one's pretty sweet. Thick relic of Aristides Aquino. Thought it might have ink on it. Alan K getting that one. Alan K getting that one. Relic auto for San Diego, Andres Munoz. San Diego is Joe T. getting that one. Munoz, relic auto. And back-to-back San Diego in this box. Adrian Morejon signed Red Stitch baseball, /75, or sorry, pink that is, /75. Okay. Second box of Absolute. We got a card turned around. Is that a Soto auto? We should see. If it is, wow. Or if it's a low number. DeGrom /199. Why is this turned around? It is Juan Soto Absolute Heroes insert. And then /99, Mike Soroka of the liver. Here we go. Nice relic here for Seattle. Kyle Lewis. Kyle Lewis showing up. David M. getting that one. No, I did not see BGS's new prices. Are they ridiculous? Ooh, how about this? How about we follow it up with another Kyle Lewis for David M. I did see that other new group, that other new breaking thing on Cade's site, that they're going to use AI and all this other stuff Not the one that got the card wrong. Kyle Lewis. Very nice there. And a relic. Ooh, an auto. I thought it was a relic. An auto baseball red seam to 25. Braves, David G. David G getting a beautiful chipper. Very nice. Chipper. Wow, this was solid. We didn't even get to the sapphire yet. All right, here we go. Yadier, Javier Baez, Austin Meadows, Jose Ramirez to 199, JT Realmuto, Eloy, and Snell and Charlie Morton. Relic, Toronto, Bo Bichette. So our relics were Lewis, rookie materials, Lewis, Bichette, and Aquino. Can't go wrong there if you're looking for relics. Greg Z getting that one. Willie Castro, Tools of the Trade. Nice dual relic auto for Detroit to 49. Tigers. Detroit is Clyde B. There you go, Clyde. Check that baby out to 49 for you. And how about a baseball of Tony Gonsolin or Gonsolin to 149, Dodgers, Tom C. All right. Great stuff. All right, here we go. The Bowman Sapphire. One prospect auto. Usually one color, but not always. So usually one color and one auto. There should definitely be an auto. There should not be. There doesn't necessarily have to be a color. Out of all of this I've opened, I've never opened a, what are they, Papardasha, or whatever they're called. The 101s, pinks. So if we see pink, we got a 101 here. I still have like 5 or 6 boxes that I personally bought for myself. All right, here we go. Everything doubled on BGS. I saw that 2-day express on PSA is now like 200. All right. So there's base. Even the base cards have value, guys, in these. Can't remember. I think it's like pack 4. There's a Julio. Ooh, if that's a Julio, that means, yes, there is. There's a beautiful Jason Dominguez coming out. Very nice. If there's a Julio, there's a Jason. That's one rule. All right. Definitely going to be the second pack from the bottom, usually. Just seeing if we have color anywhere to save it. It's disgusting that you open so much. There's a purple, so we'll save that. There's a Wander and our auto. Our auto's a base auto on this one, so that's good. And there's nothing there extra. Okay, so let's go here. Like I said, if it's not in the first 2 packs, it's towards the end. Yeah, it should be not this one, but the next. Should have a color if we're getting one. Well, that's a nice one right off the top, too. That's a nice one, and centering doesn't look so bad. A little left to right, but that's a good one right there. Ooh, we got a... Is that pink? Yeah, we got one. That's pink, baby. We got a Papadopoulos. Yep, purple is 10. I'm happy that it's for you guys and not for me. We got a pink. Oh, who is it of? We got a base auto. And we got a pink. We've got a pink. I love it. All right, let's go through the base. We'll look for the big base here. I mean, all of these sell for like a few bucks. You know, some of them sell for like $2-3. Some of them sell for a little bit more. Keibert Ruiz, Rushman. Helio Ramos, Blade. There's the Dominguez. That's a hit in itself right there. Congrats. There's a Julio Rodriguez, Kalenic, Pache, Adam Hall. So congrats on those. I'm going to put the Sapphires in sleeves. I'll put them in penny sleeves. The bigger price ones I'll definitely put in a top loader. All right, Dunning. There's the Luis Robert that we saw. There's a Joe Adele. Very nice. And Gus Verlander. Varland. All right. So, now. This is our auto. Let's look at the purple first. To 10. You got a Volpe, which is not bad. Luis Gil. Hunsler. And, wow. What a break. Guys, let's fill up the second one with the 20% off coupon. How about Pache? Braves, David G. That's the joke. What's his name? Makes all the time. Kev. Phil's Pulls. Papadopoulos. Nick Papagiorgio from Yuma. 15 out of 20, Pache. Wow. Okay, let's look at the auto. There's a Wander Franco. That's like a $30 card right there. Or at least it used to be. It was like a $60. All right, let's see. That's upside down. All right, it's a Red Sox. Taylor Trammell there. Yo, buddy. Your auto goes down here. Brandon Howlett. Boston, Dave M. Dave M. Brandon Howlett. All right, Obsidian is sold out, it looks like. Brandon Howlett. All right. We'll look at the auto first, and we'll save the Papagiorgio. Dylan Carlson, Ryan Mountcastle, Brady McConnell. That's upside down again. Colin Barber for Houston is the auto there. Colin Barber for Houston. That's Marielle. All right, here we go. Here we go. I have not pulled one of these. Skubal Freeman. It's a Brewer. Nick Bennett. Nick Bennett. Who's got the Brew Crew? There you go, Travis. Travis with the 101 Brew Crew. Papagiorgio. Congrats there, buddy. All right, guys, that'll do it. I'll do a hit recap in a second video. Appreciate it. Get it shipped out to you.